Guys, what's up? I'm here again. This one is Najeeriii. One rifle, I can't three. You understand? People. Hey, most of these people saying Najeeriii fall off. How could Najeeriii fall off, bro? He can't fall off. This guy is tough. You understand? He have lyrics, guys. Guys, subscribe right now. I appreciate everyone. This is Silk Reacts. Even follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Okay? Yes. Follow me right now on Instagram, TikTok, every platform. Even if I'm not on that platform, search for me, same way. No, I'm capping. Okay, this is 1RIFLE, people. Yes, not 3RIFLE. 1RIFLE now. Najeeriii. One of the toughest artists right now. One of the toughest dancehall artists in Jamaica, guys. Trust me. Let's get right into it. That one I time, father.
I want rifle me need.
I want time for we need.
I took the place. Bully.
What you got, bro?
I want rifle me need. And you want my pint in my squeeze. I took the place 90 degrees. Me not frightened for boys and not frightened for me. Can't tight to a pit, so me tight to the street. 16 magazines and a Bible we keep. Kill off our enemy, nightly we do it. All two of me a 6'5", me shot in his face with a 9mm.
Yo, that's lyrics, bro. Hey, he have one chance and he didn't even miss, bro. One rifle away. Hey.
Take can give each other. How we born we real bad. Belly scratch it teapot. Two we at dark you see ya. Just cabbage and can we need that. Them do it all for media. 3 rifle cause the feature. Oh me fi follow boy I'm a born for lead fam.
I like the flow. I like the flow in this one, guys.
When you got no rifle shot. But Q1 cause by for rock. Tell her this straight. If you fire rifle one time, then a rifle man. Even though me now we are never poison. Back up a shot a stifle man. Like answer watch baptize you at. I will buy shot by the box, my dog sickly quick fi kill idle as your badness of a rich fi live like the god.
Bro. All the new artists listening, all the new artists that's watching my channel right now, guys. If you're new, just settle and just make a lyrics, bro. Don't rush it. You understand? For your song to come out with good quality like this with good lyrics, do not rush it, guys. Take your time. I'll play 1RIFLE now. Subscribe.
Come out like Tyson, rifle, my rise for that. Got them a crosses, bro. But missing I'm a rotted blood. I'm a granddaddy started first. My daddy just pass it down. Never rubber and a cream. I'm a blacker than tarring. So me a bleach till morning come. Just make a guan.
Hey, he bleach until morning come. He's white. White like salt. He white like salt.
Like all is done, them push it up on this house. I want to ride from the need.
One ride from the
And you want me pint in my squeeze. I took the place 90 degrees. Me not frightened for boys and I'm frightened for me. Can't tight to a pit, so me tight to the street. 16 magazines and a Bible we keep. Kill off our enemy, nightly we treat. All two of me a 6'5", me shot in his face with a 9mm.
You hear that?
So you can't give each other. So we born we real bad. Belly scratch a teapot. Two we at dark you see ya. Just cabbage and can we need that. Them do it all for
bro,
media.
this song
3 rifle cause the feature. Oh if you follow boy and we born for live fam.
Bro, it's just if you open a closed store, bro, you just vibing in there with your t-shirt selling, bro. Because this song will get your t-shirt to sell, bro. Trust me. A lot of customer. People subscribe.
When you got no rifle shot. But Q1 cause rifle. Tell her this straight. Pussy them on a rifle man.
That.
Is that harder?
See? Bro, they keep saying this guy fall off, bro. Zimmy Entertainment, big up yourself, bro. They keep saying Najeeriii fall off. How could this guy fall off, bro? You can't fall off. 1RIFLE fall on. Guys, subscribe right now, guys. This is Silk Reaction. See? I have lyrics too. I got lyrics, bro. Follow me right now on Instagram. 1RIFLE we need. People, you already see the end of the video. Thank you very much. You understand? I appreciate every one of y'all. People, these songs tough like stone, tough like the concrete. On the ground you're walking on, it's tough. This song is tough like the ground you're walking on. Okay? Yeah. People, you all reach the end of the video. People, I'm out.